How to install Apollo Group TV on LG Smart TV. Apollo Group TV app is an exceptional IPTV player known for its seamless performance. So in this video, I'll show you how you can easily install it on your LG Smart TV. Apollo Group TV shines when it comes to compatibility with IPTV services that provide login information via Extreme Codes API or M3 URL. Since the Apollo Group TV app isn't available on the Amazon App Store, you'll need to sideload it on your Fire Stick or Fire TV. Now, if you're using Samsung or LG TV, what you need to do first is to go to the Smart Hub on your Samsung Smart TV or LG Content Store. Search for IBO Player in the App Store. If it's available, install it. Now, once installed, launch the IBO Player app from your installed apps. So open the application and provide your MAC address and activation key. Access the application's website by clicking on this link. And on the website, enter the information shown on your TV into the required fields to establish the connection. Now, once connected, you have two configuration options. You can add a playlist with an M3U link by clicking on Add Playlist, and finally return to your TV and restart the app. It will load and display the playlist with the given name on its website. And that is how you can basically install Apollo Group TV app on the LG Smart TV.